Hey guys, in this video, I'll explain to you how you can basically get approved on Displate. You just need to meet the requirements, right? High quality images, these are the file formats, JPG, PNG, WebP, or AVIF, right? Minimum size, 2900 by 4060 pixels in this ratio, 1.4 by 1. And you need at least 300 dpi or more in RGB mode. Okay, I can also show you this. It's from the official Displate, website, their blog, and this is what they recommend, right? All this we've mentioned, the best quality, no frames, and all the text and important content needs to be at the correct distance from the edge. Okay, at least 200 pixels and no filters that increase the quality of the image. So let me show you. These are some of the things you don't want to have frames like this, right? This is what you need to have. Okay, so I'll go in and upload one and show you that it meets the required recommendations. I have a bunch of images here, honestly, that meet these requirements. So, for example, this one I'll upload right now. The fairy one, I'll go ahead and drag and drop it right here. Let me go do that again. We'll actually just bring this over here and then do the drag and drop. There we go. And let's see if it initializes. There we go, you see? Everything is showing that it has met the requirement, right? And go ahead and continue with the upload process. They're really that easy and simple.